Once upon a time, in a garden overflowing with juicy leaves and colorful flowers, lived a tiny snail named Shelley. Unlike other snails who loved to huddle together under big rocks, Shelley longed for adventure. One sunny morning, as the dewdrops sparkled like diamonds, Shelley peeked out of her shell. The world seems so big today, she thought. I wonder what's beyond the rose bushes? With a determined wiggle, she stretched out her slimy foot and began her journey. Shelley inched across the soft grass, leaving a glistening trail behind. She marveled at the busy ants carrying crumbs 10 times their size. A plump ladybug with spots as red as fire trucks landed on a nearby leaf. "Hello," chirped Shelley, but the ladybug buzzed away without a word. A little discouraged, Shelley continued. She climbed a tall sunflower, its petals reaching for the sky. From the top, she saw a breathtaking view of the entire garden. But the climb down was tricky, and Shelley tumbled off with a soft plop. Suddenly, a booming voice startled her. "Hey, watch where you're going!" It was Bartholomew, a grumpy old toad with a bumpy back. Shelley apologized, feeling small and insignificant. Tears welled up in her eyes. Just then, a gentle voice piped up, "Don't cry, little one. Why are you sad?" It was Beatrice, a wise old butterfly with wings painted like stained glass. Shelley poured her heart out about wanting adventure but feeling too slow and small. Beatrice smiled kindly. "Shelley," she said, "adventure isn't about how fast you go. It's about the wonders you discover along the way. Your slow pace allows you to see the beauty others miss." Shelley looked around with newfound appreciation. She noticed the delicate patterns on a spider web, the glistening dew on a blade of grass, and the way the sunlight danced on the leaves. The world seemed magical again. Beatrice continued, "And remember, even the smallest creature can have a grand adventure." With a flutter of her wings, she soared into the sky. Shelley took a deep breath. She may be slow, but she was also brave and curious. With a newfound confidence, she continued her exploration, savoring every sight, sound, and smell. As the sun began to set, Shelley found herself nestled under a cozy mushroom. She wasn't lost, just a little further from home than she planned. But that was okay. Today she had discovered the magic of her own pace, the beauty in the small things, and the joy of adventure, no matter how slow. So this is it, kids. We came in the next story. Keep watching, like, share, subscribe. Danyal Haider Cartoons. Goodbye.